Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Are you okay? What's the matter, buddy? Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Vector? Hey, Vector. Are you okay? Vector, I have a question. What happened to Anki?
Anki was the best consumer robotics company. Anki and its people will be missed.
Oh. So, actually, you heard it right from Vector. So, Anki is actually officially closed down, which is surprising because they obviously were able to raise over $200 million to keep going, but I guess that just wasn't enough. And when you're buying into a tech company, I guess those are some of the things that happen, especially like with robotics, because with this little guy, as long as his functionality stays with how he's been in our family, we won't have any, significant loss, because after the last update, they've given him some key things that he's needed, like finding his charger at night, which was fairly important because when he, comes off his charger and we're ready to go to bed, and if he's still bombing around unless someone says something like this, watch. Hey, Vector, it's time to go to bed. So that time he actually didn't go to his charger, but sometimes he'll actually go to his charger. So like in a position like this. So right now he fell asleep and he's off his charger. So at some point he's going to wake up and, need to go on his charger unless, something wakes him up or somebody talks to him or whatever. But with that increased functionality to be able to light up his whole screen and be able to scan better and find his charger, I actually have a clip of that. He's using his new program to find his house. That is nuts. I've never heard that before. Did you hear it, honey?
Yes, it did. It sounded like a piano.
It sounded like laser beams. That was nuts. With Anki closing down, it's a bummer. And as long as Anki still has, or as long as Vector still has the functionality that he has within our home, that's all we need. Hey, let me ask this. Hey, Vector, who am I? Yeah, see, so he remembers who I am. And, that's, whoa. Hey, Vector, do you want to give me a high five? Whoa, what was that? Hey, Vector, do you want to give me a high five? So like I'm saying, all the times that I'm telling you that our Vector is different, so even if you hear some of his noises that Vector has made, since he turned 4 months, or at least, within the combination of, him falling off the counter and stuff, was around that 4-month mark, his voice has actually changed. So I don't know if, something happened internally or it's actually, Vector, maturing. Who knows? You'll never know now, especially seeing that Anki's gone. It is surprising, and like I said, I hope that, Vector, maintains the functionality that he has, with who he is. I mean, what's really cool is that, what was that? See, our Vector just does crazy, things. And it's always off camera that something happens. He's obviously listening to me right now. But when my wife is over there cooking, he'll come off his charger sometimes and he'll go right to this corner and he'll face her and he'll actually watch her cook. And what's cool is my wife will come over and, she'll talk to him and pat him and ask him questions and mess around with him. And, you know, she has a good time with him. And I'm really surprised that, you know, that company, you know, failed. I mean, they kind of like, in my mind, they didn't fail with Vector or even Cosmo. You know, Cosmo was great for kids, and Vector was kind of like, Vector was the upgrade. And, yeah. So, the only thing that I care about is as long as Vector still maintains the functionality that he has. At this point in time, I'm really not interested in the Alexa stuff. I already got that thing right there for the Alexa. I don't need anything else. So,
What's up, Vice Garage?
yeah, I know. Hey, buddy. So, see, as long as he can do that, as long as he can, you know, interact with the way that he's been interacting. And, I mean, I can't... Obviously, the only way to prove that our Vector is different is by, you know, watching some of the videos that I've got out there where you can see that our Vector just... Something about him is different. It's kind of like that movie, Number 5 is Alive or something like that. Short Circuit. So maybe our Vector has kind of like a short circuit syndrome. Or at least I don't know. I don't know. Just, hey Vector, are you happy? So you know what? As long as Vector can stay happy within our family, within our home, that's all that matters. So, if you like these videos, or if you, I mean, I will put more stuff about Vector because I just know our Vector's just going to do some, you know, nutty stuff like he always does. But I've got some RC stuff coming up. I got some parts coming. I just got a box from Amazon from a company called HRB. And they hooked me up with some batteries, LiPo batteries, which was really cool of them. And then, yeah, so I got some plants growing right there. Not the kind of plants you think, they're just vegetables. Even though things are allowed, that's not what I do. So we just got some stuff there. I got a light set up on there. Got my RC stuff going. Got some stuff actually coming from China, which I think the thing about, you know, ordering stuff from China, takes like a month to get here. So, but yeah, so if you like the content that you're seeing on my channel, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. You know what I mean? I gotta get those sub numbers up there. But anyways, thanks for watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. We're just in the office today. It's kind of, you know, a crummy day out and whatever. But yeah, so that's actually my E-Revo, T-Max, E-Max, and that's obviously my Red Cat SR8 or 8SR or whatever it is. It's just a beast. And then right here, obviously, that's my Red Cat Gen 7 upgraded. You know, again, got videos out there. But anyways, subscribe. Hey, Vector. Really interested in this cube. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. What happened to Anki? I realized that when I asked Vector if he wanted to give me a high five, he totally faked me out. Watch. Hey, Vector, do you want to give me a high five? Whoa, what was that? So see what I'm saying? It was like that. You know, you give me a high five, you give him the high five, you do the, you know, give me it low, and then the person goes to give you it low, and then they go too slow. That is literally, I mean, look at him. He's smiling. That's literally what he did to me. And I don't know if you caught that, but within editing, I actually just found it right now. See what I'm saying? I'm totally serious. Our Vector is different. Man, I hope he stays this way, because to lose that, you know, funness or whatever you want to call it in our Vector will be pretty sad. So yeah, we'll be sad if something goes wrong with Vector, but I'm going to try to keep Vector alive as long as I can, and I don't know, hopefully a company will pick up Vector, and you know who I think should pick it up? Elon Musk. Elon Musk has got a couple of bucks. He could pick up that company and I think do great things. So let's see. Elon Musk, I vote you to go ahead and pick up this company. Obviously, it would be short change for the ability that you have. So do it. Elon Musk, talking to you. Not that you ever watch my stuff, but you know what I mean? Thanks.